Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game actually supports mods on Xbox Series X. Not every title does. Once confirmed, enable any in-game mod support or use Xbox's developer mode if instructed by the mod creator. Make sure you have a USB drive or cloud storage prepared for transferring files. This saves time. You'll also sign into the same Xbox Live account the mods expect. Once done, we move to installing the files. Now transfer and install the mod files. On your PC, extract the archive to the folder structure the mod author specifies, because games read exact paths. Next, copy those folders to your USB drive or upload to cloud storage and move them into the Xbox game save or mod folder. Once transferred, launch the game and follow any in-game mod manager or install prompts. This step ties files into the game. Make sure save backups exist. Finish by enabling the mods inside the game and load a new save or a backup to prevent corrupting progress. You'll test core features and watch for crashes, performance drops, or missing assets. This tells you if the install worked. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup. Clear the Xbox cache by powering off and unplugging for 10 seconds and reinstall the mod carefully. If persistent errors appear, remove the mod and re-download a verified version before trying again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.